Here we have a Qualcomm's RB3 board that is driving a Turtlebot. And over here is the view that this particular camera from the robot is getting. And we are running two networks on the RB3 platform. One of them is the object detection that is detecting the Hulk figure as an object. And then another one is a pose estimation network. And you can see that pose estimation is determining that Hulk is standing up. This is just a demo for explaining the power of this platform as well as the power of our Always AI platform. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the Hulk lie down or fall down, and you would see that the pose estimation and the object detection networks will actually say that Hulk is down. So now you see that the rescue is complete. Obviously, this is a toy demo to show pose estimation and the power of the RB3 platform. Our goal here is to enable developers and entrepreneurs to quickly prototype and deploy algorithms for retail and for elderly care and such. So for example, if an elderly person is living by themselves, there could be a Roomba-like robot following them around, and if they fall down, it could go close to them, ask them if they need help, should they call an ambulance and such. Or in a retail analytics environment, you can imagine if a customer is taking stuff, reading it and putting it back, and then or looking around for customer service representatives. That means that they need a customer success representative, and what we want to do is send a robot close to them and start a conversation with them. So the power of combining object detection and pose estimation on the Always AI platform installed on our RB3 platform is just amazing, and we hope to unleash a lot of use cases.